Can't get Zoho Mail to work in Outlook or your phone's email app? Learn how to enable IMAP in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to find the settings and which checkbox to toggle. Just follow these 5 simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Mail Accounts to manage your email settings. Now, switch to the IMAP tab to see the IMAP options. Go ahead and check the IMAP Access checkbox to enable IMAP for your account. Finally, click Save to apply the changes, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.